Could integrating this shiny new crypto bot actually open the door for digital thieves? That's what we're dissecting today. I'm going to walk you through the steps some sites claim are necessary to import a Trojan bot to your Phantom wallet. But I'm going to constantly highlight the huge red flags involved. I am doing this to educate you on scams. I do not recommend doing this. Step 1. They'll likely tell you to find the bot usually promoted through social media or shady online forums. Do not click those links seriously. These bots often come disguised as helpful tools but are loaded with malware aimed at stealing your private keys. Next, the instructions could advise navigating to your Phantom wallet settings, specifically the Connect to DApps or External Connections area. Do not do this. Connecting to unknown third-party sites is extremely risky. Instead, this is what you need to remember. Always use a hardware wallet for large amounts of crypto. Always use unique, strong passwords and two-factor authentication. And most importantly, be skeptical if something sounds too good to be true. It probably is, and never, ever share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone ever. Your funds are your responsibility. Do your research, stay vigilant, and prioritize security over potential quick gains. This is how to avoid falling victim to crypto scams. Stay safe out there.